Hi everyone. I have decided to create a new course about neural networks. As you have seen in my channel, I have created some projects of neural networks and I want to share it with you. If you don't know what a neural network is, I will explain it a little bit how we can interpret a neural network. As you can see in some previous videos, I created a simulation of a neural network where we can visualize a training process of digit recognition. So here you can see how a neural network is performing, in this case with digits, and we can see that we have a training data that in this case is an image, in this case a tree, and also we have the neural network that are these lines and neurons, and finally we have the output that the neural network will process to create a prediction. This prediction in this problem will be the guess of the number. So we have trained our neural network to guess the number that the image has. We can use it for a great variety of problems, but in this case we want to analyze an image and predict the number that a human has written. So here we can see fast the training of the network. Okay, so we train our network to understand the problem and to fit with a great solution. And then here we can see that all the guesses are right, almost all the guesses of the network are right. So we train correctly our network. So in this course you will firstly it will be divided in two main parts. In the first we will be covering the theory of neural networks, and here we will see how do they work, what are its fundamentals, and also the algorithms used. In this final part, I recommend you to know a bit of differentiable calculus and also matrix operations, because we will be using it to understand the algorithms and to have a math notation. We will also understand in a mathematically way how networks perform internally. In the second part, we will be programming a neural network, and will you be using the Eclipse IDE to create it in Java. Okay, so I hope you like the introduction video, and in the next tutorial videos we will start with the concepts of neural networks. See you in the next video.